Why do we prefer the Bray test for phosphorus over the Mehlich? For several reasons. Number one, we prefer it because of the fact that we like in the Bray method you get a P1 and a P2, and that distinguishes between very readily available and that which is soon to become available, but those are two different numbers. Number two, we feel like that while the Mehlich test is cheaper, they do use a paste for an extraction, and they use it on multiple different tests, and so they run it like, say, 1 through 10, and so the question would be, is number one the same effectiveness as number 10? Was there any change in the effectiveness of that paste extracting those nutrients? So we just really prefer that Bray test. And obviously when we get into the high pHs, we're going to have to flip over and use the Olsen bicarb test to really get a good solid number on what we're going to do. But in both instances, we would prefer those over the Mehlich. You want to use the Mehlich, that's cool. But when we use the Bray test, it also gives us a lot of ratios that we can look at, so we know exactly what we need to do and how it is that we're going to make things work out better in that field.